At the start of 2021, the amazing Terra of Brilliant Planet approached me and asked me if I'd be willing to do a mural on this huge shipping container. Terra was creating a magical eco destination for families to come and plant and work in community together, and kids to play and let their imagination run wild. How could I say no to such an inspiring project? As she explained the mission, I got to work on some concept art, and here is some of the team seeing it for the first time. Everyone was so excited for the Wings at Wonderland mural to begin. I enlisted the help of my dear friend and fellow artist, Dawn Pratt, to start the outline with me. We drew all of the elements, numbered them, and chose which colors go where, so the community was able to just show up and help us paint magic. On Community Paint Day, this is the first little painter to step up to the mural to get started. Their philosophy at Wonderland is give them tools and toys and interesting things and let them discover, imagine, and express. What a beautifully colorful day. The Wings at Wonderland mural paint by number event was amazing. How cool it was to get to step back and let families get their hands full of paint and their hearts full of joy. Playing in paint and dirt really is the best day ever. Here's a look at the final mural. Big thank you to Brilliant Planet for trusting me to bring this vision to your space. You created a magical eco playground. And thank you to my dear friends and family for coming out to help support and play. And an extra special thank you to my art buddy, Dawn Pratt, for always being down to join me in my art adventures. Thanks to everyone that showed up in the community to play. I could not have done it without you. You all made this project extra special and super fun.